Let's go read a book.
Right there. You leave it right there.
What the heck is going on here?
It's time to read. It's time to read.
Oh, who is that?
Alright, that's probably I'm trying to record. I'm trying to record.
Yeah,
Hey,
Get out of here.
it's time to read.
Gabriella, get away from the table. Get.
Well, I can't. She's already picked a book.
La.
Okay,
Yes.
Okay.
I want to show somebody else this.
the outside of the carpet. Savannah, Sean's going to read you a book. Everybody look up there at the book.
Let's read the book.
Alright, I'm just going to tilt it down a little bit. So. Alright. Okay.
I have rewards right here. He's going to turn off the laptop if you don't be quiet.
Will you tilt it back just a little bit? There, that's probably
Now,
good.
what are they going to look in here to see you read the
No,
book?
no, this is the Reading Railroad. This is going on YouTube. Alright, I'm reading.
Hey, I'll have you turn it off if you don't be quiet.
I'm
Jerry
trying
Dodd.
to read.
Jerry
Jerry
Dodd.
Dodd.
Still trying to read.
Jerry Dodd.
Hey, why don't you try to
Look,
sit
y'all
on the
face
orange?
there.
Sit on the orange
Look,
square.
face the book.
You're like right
That was rude.
This is a really bad idea.
Excuse me, Lily. No, honey.
How many snails? How many snails? How many snails?
Here, Hannah, y'all.
You want
Look,
to be my
don't worry,
designated
Hannah.
turning page? Okay, every time I go like this.
Wait a minute.
Wait, pause.
Jerry Don,
Pause.
Skylar, you're going to have to sit down. Jerry Don, sit down.
John Ross and Hannah, get your face off. Matt, you want your third check mark for today?
Alright, so, still trying to read.
If I be good, can I have one of those?
Okay, look, you can sit on my lap. And every time I go like this, I want you to turn the page.
No, not over here. This is the book.
Alright. I went walking and I wondered how many clouds were there. How many clouds were big and fluffy, and how many clouds were big, fluffy, and gray? Well, I don't think we could really know because it doesn't say in the book. Alright.
What do you have in your hand? Yeah.
Alright. It
I'll
says
take
I
it.
went walking to the meadow and I wondered
Stop it.
how many flowers were there. How many flowers were yellow, and how many flowers were yellow with big black centers? I'm reading!
Where was that?
Yeah, good.
Turn.
4,
Turn, Thomas.
3,
I went walking in the lake and
Sean,
I
just a
wondered.
minute.
How can you go walking?
Now, everybody sit down
Yeah,
and
that
be
was a very
quiet.
good question.
Listen.
No, he wants to
Yeah,
have
good.
it.
John, can you turn that off? How can you
Yeah.
interact?
That's too distracting, I agree.
Can I just put it down?
Now, Miss Rita wrote 3, and I don't see anybody so far that's
It's fun. You ready? Can we keep going? I'm gonna read that one next. Alright. I'm not sure how well this book was thought out because it says, I went walking to the lake and one. Oh, where's it at?